President Donald Trump has just announced a 25% tariff plus penalty on Indian exports effective August 1. According to him, India continues to buy cheap oil and weapons from Russia even as the war in Ukraine rages on. And that's not all. Trump has accused India of imposing some of the highest tariffs and worst trade barriers in the world, calling them obnoxious, strenuous, and unfair. He says that despite being friends, the US runs a massive trade deficit with India, and that cannot go on. This move is a direct blow to several of India's top-performing export industries. First, gems and jewelry. This is one of India's biggest export earners, with over $10 billion heading to the US alone. A 25% tariff could inflate costs, delay shipments, and disrupt thousands of jobs across the value chain. Next, pharmaceuticals. India supplies 40% of all US prescriptions, and companies like Cipla, Sun Pharma, and Dr. Reddy's depend heavily on the American market. Tariffs here could lead to major revenue losses and shake investor confidence. Then comes textile and apparel. India is a key supplier for global brands like Walmart, Gap, and Costco. But here's the problem. Vietnam and Indonesia, India's main rivals, are facing lower tariffs. That puts Indian exporters at a clear disadvantage. And finally, electronics. Apple has been shifting iPhone production to India to escape China-related tariffs. But if Indian-made phones now face a 25% US surcharge, that entire strategy could be seriously disrupted. Basically, this Trump tariff bomb is economic pressure with geopolitical intent. The Indian government says it is reviewing the move and will do whatever it takes to protect national interest, especially farmers, MSMEs, and key industries. Although talks with the US are still on, but the clock is ticking fast.